welcome to today's video where we're looking at a wooden phone stand. Stylish desktop charging, assembles in seconds, built-in easy charger access. And basically this here. So let's open it and see what we actually have. No, but it's not coming out, is it? No. So we have a piece of wood and a piece of wood. So I suppose it would go in like this and you have your charger. And basically that's it. 2 pieces of plywood. Not even sanded or anything, it's still rough. And they haven't even cut it straight. So it's on a slight slant. I suppose it'll work on your desk. You should have had a groove here so that you could have fit through the back, so the wire's not having to come around this way. It could have came under. But I suppose it's okay for £1 or whatever they charge anywhere else. So if you like that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.